Hi, welcome to automation testing.in. In this video, we are going to see launch Firefox in Selenium 3. Recently, they launched Selenium 3. After launching Selenium 3, the way you launch Firefox is different now. Means in the previous versions, for launching the Firefox, you just write Firefox WebDriver is equal to new Firefox driver. Then it will launch the browser. Now, that single line will not work in Selenium 3. In the previous versions, how you launch Chrome, IE, the same way you have to launch Firefox in Selenium 3. Means you have to download that server exe file for the Firefox, and you have to set the property of the exe file to your system, that you have to explicitly mention where the exe file is in your machine. Then you have to write WebDriver driver is equal to new Firefox driver, the same normal line. But in Selenium 3.0, in the beta 1, the way the launching the Firefox is different. Immediately they have released beta 2. In that they have changed that line, how you want to initialize that exe file. Means in the Selenium 3 beta 1, they used to say webdriver.gecko.driver. Then you have to mention the exe file of your gecko driver. And there we have seen some issues. I have mentioned in my previous videos that Selenium 3 demo. But after coming to the beta 2 version, that line got changed from webdriver.gecko.driver to webdriver.firefox.marionette. So you have to use webdriver.driver.marionette. Then only your Firefox will launch. Otherwise, you will face issues. So we'll see a simple program to launch the Firefox. I'll go here, I'll create a sample class. I'll say launch Firefox. I'll say normal Java program. In this, I have added the jar files of Selenium 3, C3 beta 2, and we'll see like normally how you will write WebDriver driver equal new Firefox driver. Now you will import these things. Now you will say like driver dot get, I'll say http colon automation testing dot in. This is like simple code to launch the Firefox and to navigate to some URL. Now I'll say Java application. You will get an error. Like the path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.gecko.driver, it is mentioning. Now we will see the same thing. System dot set property. Sorry, it is set property. You have to this is a key, and I have gecko driver there in the D drive, my machine here. See, this is how you should. Now we'll try to execute the same thing, run as Java application. It launched the browser. It is navigating to automation testing.in. Okay, it's working fine. WebDriver.gecko.driver. Now we will see the issue like driver.close. If you mention like this, if you execute the same thing again, it opened the browser. Navigating to automation testing.in. I think you see that execution completed, but the browser still remains. It means it will not close the browser if you use driver.gecko.driver. Now what we'll do, you go to here, change it to webdriver dot I think I'll miss the spelling, so I'll take it from here. Now we'll execute the same thing, run as Java application. So that is not the browser, this is open the browser, navigating to automation testing.in. It's still loading. It closed the browser. Means if you use webdriver.gecko.driver, it might launch the browser, but it will not close. You will find that issues while closing, but you have to use webdriver.firefox.marinate, then it works fine. That's all I want to mention in this video, how to launch Firefox driver using Selenium 3. Thank you. That's all in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Automation Testing channel, and please like us at our Facebook page.